Wagwan Jamaica. Thanks for forward back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now today we have some breaking news to share with you know. Just hold on the producer. May I wait on the paper or the breaking news? May I get it yet? Oh, use the teleprompter. Sorry about that, people. Teleprompter. Only use that something here. Breaking news. Dexter supposed to read a part here. Breaking news. Jamaica recorded last night. We have a new total of 16 new COVID-19 cases in the country. They're not bad from last week, people. We're doing much better. Last week we had 89 and one read. Read it again. Okay. Sorry about that, viewers. It seems I make a mistake. We have 116 new. Hold on there. So I left my yard on a good Monday morning for come work. For the time I say 100, you could tell me this from last night. And I know it from last night and I come work. No man, I'm not serious, but compose yourself, boss. Compose yourself, bossy. Why is it not to tell me? Read the teleprompter again? That's not tell me. When you really want to stay at work and read teleprompter when 116 new cases in the country. In other breaking news, people. This real? No man, this can't real. In other breaking news, people, we have lightning. So the fastest man of the world catch COVID. Could you run left it? And me if it's when you cut to commercial, no? Or cut, no, you're not cut to weather. Cut to the weather. Me not stay here, cut to the weather. No, I work from home. I can work from home. You hear what I say? I couldn't hear me I say too. No? Yo, Papa, hear me I say no man? And I steal them for the dog. Them can't pay me enough for this. My Dexter and I steal and the man can't read a teleprompter, dog. The man trained for 4 years and I last week in a lunchroom and I find out say, this brother can't read a teleprompter. Dog, the man nothing in the studio and me in them man, me do all of these studies and I know me can't reach in the studio, dog. Them give them idiot work and turn up in the rain. And them think that after when the International News Network, my youth, a PNN, many people in the rain and tell people it's rain fall. People can't see it's rain fall, dog. Them can see other news stations and say you're rain fall. But dog, let me know when me like, because you know the brother take 2 years for forward the news to me, the right person. Well, I morning people, welcome to PNN. You know, you don't know PNN weather. So we're out in the elements as you can see, rain and fall and thing. You know, we just make you know say, yo, be careful on the roads. When I drive to the, because you see one open area and I feel like say, yo, river and I run through there. Jamaica no drainage. You see me? So what if a rain and fall, be careful out there, not because you have a hillocks. I want them Range Rover, not even Range Rover, a Land Rover. You see me, I feel like say, oh, I can't go through this. Yo, take on the time on the road and be careful. You see me, but as you can see, rain and fall, road get black off and all them sitting there. But yo, big up on yourself for tuning in, or we can know say, yo, stay tuned to PNN News for more weather. I'll bless.